Myntri Rangbah Gajala Megalaya ukon rot kongkal sangma hagajing lang ke Menteri Ketenaga Kakot Kakya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo u Principal Secretary u Sampat Kumar u Commissioner but Secretary Dr. Joram Beda bagi officer. Hagakat sau terik unailar arajar arbusa ula Paidbah eka Babies Critical Care Unit SNCU NICU but MNCU ha Ganesh Das Hospital ha Shillong. Habakran yang sengi Menteri Rangbah ulong bagi jela kadang don buan kilat ben kentiu ya kilat sumar nrai kamut batang kijing bei tengkah kaliang kijing tei ki mesin ni kitiar buan ra kijing kela nrai lang bagi jing trish tom ka balak manwan ra kijing kela bat kalong ka ba ai men siam ban i bagi kenhuan wat apeng kijing e ki wan ra kijing kela kilat sumar gi Paidbah haga Ganesh Das Hospital. Hagani sengi Menteri Rangbah jela ula pentip ru bagi sarkar Kashim di senjam ban penting kena bahag kesenam arhajar arpusan ke Shillong Medical College kan sedang no bat kumjo Katura Medical College onyo ban sedang no ha kesenam arhajar arpuhun rio. Nagaliang ke Menteri Ketenaga Kakot Kakya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo ilong bagi kejing persang joko sarkar ban i bawai puwe unong pang bat iwai piwe kena bagi nyo kejing sumar ke babahatam bat banyo kejing sumar ke baklem dapanan kam da kepisah. Pada kalian ke sarkar kadang tray ban penbet igijing bagi nong tray kakot kakya ki kendo. I Dr. Ampurin Lingdo ila kerpat i Dr. Jong Kajela ban wan cakri biang ki Paidbah bat benrap ru baga Babies Critical Care Unit ke badan Ganesh Das Hospital ketika syarak Jong Kejing Kermen yaki nong sonong Kajela. Ka Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong ketika jaka sumar sarkar ke bandingkong Kajela bandon yaki SNCU, NICU but MNCU. Ka SNCU, NICU kompleks kemudian laipo jengtia balasna bat pentrika maka syitrik jembang arhajar arpusau. Daga bapenon kam ya ka pisah hospital balapen mi naga PMGAY MHIS. Kini kejaka sumar ka kentup igi hendru tuli jengtia NICU rengkat ki kor sumar ke belabiang bat kejaka sumar kerpang kemudian shpautli gijingtia iki kime berki kelung badang syukha.
It's not just the equipments that we put. It's not just the kind of infrastructure and machines and so on and so forth that it brings in. It is the human touch that is actually the real change that we are seeing here in Ganesh Das Hospital. And I would like to inspire you and to urge you that you must share your inspiration and your story with other doctors and other medical staff, other institutions, other hospitals, other PHCs, CHCs, so they can also get inspired to become the change that they desire to be, as Mahatma Gandhi has put it. And that's really, as I said, the biggest takeaway for me. And let me assure you that I'll be speaking about this a lot in the days to come. Like Mr. Sampath has just mentioned to all of you, that we do spend a lot on medical sector. About close to 9% of our budget is spent on medical department and the health sector, which I am presuming in terms of percentage, it is the highest, or if not the second highest in the entire country. So that's the kind of focus and importance we have for medical and health sector. And to the query that was put in by our chairperson, who is the DHSMI, saying that there is support required for improving the infrastructure further out here, let me assure her and the entire team that the Honorable Minister and myself will leave no stone unturned to ensure you get full support in whatever areas that you are planning to move forward in.